25 mweri jwa tantatu mwaka jwa ngiri 2025 ne ntuku ikomba kwithirwa ikirikanwa ta ntuku irethire ikana irethiro iri na maandamano jam manene aja ndene ya nthiguru ya Kenya county nkorokia 20 ni cirombera kwithirwa gichikichumiria na gikundi kia mbeo mbithe kia Gen Z bomba kwithirwa bagitaga na mbere na kuandamana bakini manageiria thirikari irere wathanine ya mutongere Rais William Ruto. Nyuma ya maandamano jaja ikuonekene winyangie bunene na nkurukiba maba biashara gweta na mbere na gukujira asara inene na bobo ni nyuma nduka kathumba kwethirwa chikiunwa into bieta na mbere kuiwa na nkuruki kinyanyomba inge chiethirwa chikithwa ni makarikana ndeje ombete kwethirwa jakiarirwa ntuku ya narua ni kuma kire monini wa Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki, waziri wa ukaria bondene na wathani ba matura Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen na kinyandene kaunti Meru atongere ba kaunti ya Kinyambu bachumirite kwariria manto kathumba nyuma ya maandamano ya Gen Z characha na thithikite ntuku ya goro. Mutagero Meru TV chacha na jangija mingi izo tukathura tukuratagira ndene nteto chieto che Meru TV ogorobona arua oni beta Dennis mutuma muthomi mona nirioto mathithi ogorobona arua ni Jacqueline Makena. Tuamberie na ripoti yegie uge pa waziri wa ukaribu ndene na wathani ba matora Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen uria urikirie kurita ntumiri yawe muthanya na arua akiaria waziri na amenyerete makarika ja maandamano ja ntuku egoro akiuga maandamano jaja neka jarabangi gutigira nija kugarura utongeria bonthiguru ya Kenya. Kuringana na waziri Murkomen augite ntere monya asara ni chithita chigekujirwa ara biashara ira nyingi chitigichi into biwa na binge bietarambere na kuethwa kagita na karana ndi waziri Murkomen augite bota thirikari batete keria manto tajaja jomba gwethirwa jagitithwa na mbere kairi paugite na thirikari igeta na mbere na kujukiria itagari arerito reki watho antabra pombe bamuriki na kuonekana bakenya ngaia kuia na nkuruki kuthukangia intobe mwingi popo nebuge ba waziri Murkomen ntuko ya naru akiaredia manto jegie maandamano ja ntuko egoro cha Gen Z.
Chaos and anarchy. Let me therefore state unequivocally that we condemn the criminal anarchists who in the name of peaceful demonstrations unleashed a wave of violence, looting, sexual assault and destruction upon our people. More than 10 Kenyans were killed. Investigations are ongoing on the numbers and the circumstance that this happened. Over 400 were injured. Close to 300 are police officers. Some left with injuries they will carry for the rest of their lives. Key government installations and offices were targeted. At least 9 police stations were attacked, 5 of which were torched, including Dagoretti, Molo, and Olkalau, to name a few. 88 police vehicles were destroyed. A total of 27 national and county government vehicles were destroyed, and 65 civilian vehicles parked in various police stations, including a school bus, were burnt. The criminals were aiming at the officers on duty. They were after guns in the armories and the police uniforms. 5 firearms were stolen in Dagoretti Police Post, Kiambu County, while 4 were burnt at Kashui Police Post by the very criminals who hid behind the pretense of a peaceful protest. Government offices, including courts, national government and county government offices, were looted and burnt. Businesses worth billions of shillings were massively looted. The criminals targeted kiosks, supermarkets, electronic shops, hotels, and restaurants, among others. I have just come this morning from inspecting some of the looted businesses in the bus station, OTC, Nyamakima, and it is very painful. I met young hustlers, older hustlers, women, young men, youth, and different cadre of business people who were actually shedding tears as they explained to us the suffering they have gone through, with the entire businesses being wiped, and most of these businessmen and businesswomen and youth, young business persons, were actually borrowed money from banks, and some of them from Shylocks, to just carry out their businesses. And now everything is looted and destroyed, and they have to start afresh.
Tuketakagira mantu tata zekie maandamano jan tukwegoro cha gikundi kia Gen Z ni atena munini wa rais wa ndegoro ya Kenya Profesa Kithure Kindiki na shumiriti na komeneria bamwe batongeria bamakanisa na kinya bamwe bamabarothi barea augete ateba gweta marieto nigire Kindiki augete ne bombeta kwita na mbere na gukuje kana na kujera maandamano jambe ombele kana Gen Z jara mbere kwethora jage kujero ntukwegoro na komeneria kana za komeneria thirikari ya rais William Ruto kuringana na Kindiki augete abiashara ni bakujerete hasara ina ne ntukwegoro kintu kare nande augete thirikari nikita mibango ya gutigira gutena ekareka tarire rikomba kwethirwa rikiumera kaire ajande goroni.
Serikali haitaingilia uhuru wa wananchi kujieleza kwa sababu katiba inawahakikisha huyo uhuru. We cannot interfere with the freedom of assembly. We cannot interfere with the freedom of movement and freedom of expression and freedom of the media. However, the government will never allow what happened in Kenya to ever happen again in our country. Whatever it takes. Na msiniulize tutafanya nini? Because we must protect the country. We must protect the people of Kenya. We must protect the property of the people of Kenya. And we must protect the peace, tranquility, and stability of our country. We will not interfere with freedoms. We will not interfere with the media. We will not interfere with anybody. But we will not allow what happened to ever happen again in our country. Kuna pia mabalozi wa nchi mbalimbali ambazo ni marafiki wa Kenya, ambao pia walichochea vijana wakiwaambia mko na uhuru wa kufanya lolote mtakavyo na msiweze kuingiliwa hata na polisi, fanyeni vile mtakavyo. Tumeona maduka yameporwa. Kuna watu jana asubuhi walikuwa mamilionea, leo ni fukara, hana hata chakula kwake nyumbani. Tumechoma stations za polisi, pesa ya umma itatumiwa kuzijenga upya. Mahakama zimechomwa. Uchukuzi umetatizwa. Na kwa hivyo tunauliza wenzetu, wale mabalozi walikuwa wamechochea vijana, kama hiyo kazi ndio walikuwa wanataka ifanyike. Na wananchi wengi walijionea, kwa sababu hapo mbeleni watu wengi walikuwa wanaongea. Watu ya makanisa, ni washukuru watu wa makanisa wengi walikuwa wanaombea amani. Na wanasihi vijana wetu, wakati wanafanya maandamano yao, waende pale waseme mambo yao kwa amani na warudi nyumbani, wasidhulumu wananchi. Na washukuru makanisa ambao yalikuwa katika huyo mrengo. Lakini kuna makanisa mengine kupitia taarifa zao walichochea vijana, kuwaweka hamaki na kuwaambia wako na uhuru wa kufanya lolote watakavyo. Hao makanisa, mimi ningetaka niwaulize leo, kama ile kazi tuliona jana ndio yale mambo walikuwa wanataka ifanyike.
Mutegeri Umero TV tureo kireo manto jaja jegie maandamano jarajare kitego kujirwa ajande gorone kanantere mwanya chandegoro ya Kenya ntuko iegoro. Akaribu mutindo jwa kangangi ndene kaunti ya Meru Kinyabone bachumretie na gutariria manto kathumba jegie urea barakujirire Gen Z bakiandamana ntuku yegoro. Pamwe bakari baba nibonekene kumeneria bunene makarika jawe nyangia burabura kujirwe mono nduka irirone iretere nambere na kuno antere cia mugutano arabo gete asara eze egeta nambere na guchokia akari nyuma bunene nyarana nde barombete gikundi kya Gen Z kana mbe umbithi na nkurugwa Kenya bonde kutigira neba gutumira mutaratara ju mwega na jothiri kagite na karaba gweta nambere na maandamano zao. Mwandiki wetu Anteto MC Mwitonga na aranirite na karibu mutindo jo kangangi na gutubanganyira ripoti unanzira entarero
karibu mutindo ne baumirite na kwariria mantu ja maandamano jara jatindite igoro na bakiugaga ana bau kana Gen Z ne babuite kwithirwo bakithikirwa aria bakuga ne untu abiachara ne batigi bagitaraga asara enene
John Modian Severe ya Meru Town ikuona na baba inge muno chiaro chetu ikebweze demonstration no untu bwana baba orero mwaka muthiru tariki 25 mweri wa tandatu 2024 aciari batu baba ingi bonere bimba barazika na kwa aciari batona kinyana bo aciari baba etinda kurera ntuko cionthe mwanka na andu otiebwo thirikari itise thirikari ya teki te muntu batiukwa politiki kwega gute muntu batiukwa kana muntu athora na thina kiri ungi Kenya yetu antu barabanda meme ibathikirwe na baba ibete ibathikirwe na kuthikirwa kwa kwina gitumi wende itumenya atiri president bejaga na bakuruka na gukoritie kuria atia wajaire politie tukugera maiga na tukaura inabone ana bantu uniform ekirete no kethikudura gutena politie kauga kegome tuko moja maru wake manajaire ja imbito John Modian Severe ya Meru Town ikuona na baba inge muno chiaro chetu ikebweze demonstration no untu bwana baba orero mwaka muthiru tariki 25 mweri wa tandatu 2024 aciari batu baba ingi bonere bimba barazika na kwa aciari batona kinyana bo aciari baba etinda kurera ntuko cionthe mwanka na andu otiebwo thirikari itise thirikari ya teki ukiria aciari ba kana baba era omwa bwana bo ya Meru na andu atuna sarenene untu mbesene cionthe gacingi untu bwa demonstration thirikari tiejaga na igakoroka na inya wothe gwatuika rio agakuruka na inya wageta ende tukaethia nthiguru yetu tutona ukarakairi Meru na andu atuna sarenene untu mbesene cionthe gacingi untu bwa demonstration
na jau nijo ndaikia kwithirwa nkiona na nkigua mbita MC Mwitonga ngikuripotera ndende na mutindo jo kangangi North Menti Meru TV.
Mutegeri wa Meru TV twetete nambere na kuthoja uria kurari ntuku egoro kana twetete nambere na kuthoja mantu jegie maandamano ja Gen Z jara umire ntuku egoro. MCA wa wadi ya Kithim urejigana ta mwenda ithiri bari na MC wa wadi ya municipality urejigana ta Caleb Mutethia Kibuko ni bachumiritie na kuria Rais William Ruto kuthikira kirero kya mbeu mbithi aja nthiguru no ntobo maandamano jara thithikite ntuku yegoro ja kumeneria thirikari yawe ni ara nkuruki atongire baba bobaire bonekene kumeneria wenyangia wamba na uthukangia pointo aburabo ithirite bugikujerwa ntuku yegoro aja ndene kaunti Meru na kinyane ya nthiguru yonthe ya Kenya uge bwatongire baba na ndini kuromba mutongire wa mugongo ndagitari William Ruto gutigira na gukara nthiguru na kuthikira mbeu mbithi kana gikundi kya Gen Z nikenda nthiguru ya Kenya getana mbere na njira iria ikubatara. Jeff Fogituma na rugono ru
nawe Caleb Mutethia Kibuko MCA wa municipality bakwatanirite na mwenda ithire uria nawe ni MCA wa Kithi ni borite na ndi President William Ruto ethire akithikiria itumi biongwa Gen Z na Kenya bangi bethirite bakiandamana na ndi kwa kagita
wiritwe ndinkaria mutongoria kona ndoto iria irendelete woro inkwenda kuga nthiguru yetu ya Kenya ititite bwega ndi mutongoria ndene county ya Meru inkwa nthiguru yetu ititite bwega na inkwenda kwira president na karenthi na anene barabangi na deputy president na atongoria bange bakarenthi na amenye solution ira ombikio take o kuthikira youth kuthikira Kenya nonto itare kutumia gwethira anto abaturite street na thousands of people but in a reason riri itare kinyane ndi tukona the country is bigger than every one of us twakaranthe tukathikanira president akaraniria na anto aigu issues cio akarisolve nonto ngumya na issues cia joblessness ira nguigwa youth kinya unde mu youth na ingu interact na youth nguigwa issues cia joblessness baba ingi baina ma degrees bari nchodhari na issues nyingi na uchumi koma so inko request president na karende aite atongoria atwe solution
kindu kirangu ndi kuromba thirikari yetu ni karende alaniria youth nunto the presidency nwe umbea the biggest responsibility naro president William Ruto nwe umbea responsibility area youth bakandamana tukale mwaka junde no tukigwa kira boririra bariuga bara borairwe families itarirwa itonwa why is it difficult kithirikari je karandi na families area ithirania na families na enye barira ne bathikira it is important kwithwa na round table kibara ba affect maandamano ya 2024 na ndi turongerere bangi ba 2025 nduri until when mantuja kiendelea na ndi turigirira kaina ndi 2026 tuja kurikana barabara orero mwaka jojo
kurukia tongeria baba ni baugite maandamano jaja ni jethirite jakireta hasara inene kiria biashara mantu jabatere gutegerwa na mpui mono noro batere kuthithia ujo ni president William Ruto.
So it is important thirikari erewe igoro turarusire property twaruse biashara twarusi kira gikongwa agency boruri opportunities igoro opportunities irathukirwe miru town icho nyingi
issues president akareka now that ito agilire or tutalusi inde nondo we almost losing a country anto batura street in thousands and thousands we almost losing a country daina take action narira uchumi bwa karoka narira ande akaro tuinde turi at risk ara tuitirite kwethira tuina ande tina sheria na ibondo nkuatiri dai it is the high time every linda aomba correction it is the high time kinya president aomba kuinama nende athikire na aranirie na antu na tone the best solution ira tumbikia kungive Kenyans kenda antu betu bakara mzuri
iromba nande ni thirikari ithirengikira mbeca cia kuthithia iwanda ni kenda twanya twa ngugi tukoneka kiria yuthi banthiguru iji.
This is the beginning of the year by a new budget ira ibone brabombe kyo cut some spending bakaona brabombe ya kuthithia subsidies kere issues nyingi cha economy kenda maisha ya Kenya yomba kuinama. Number 2 kinyamando ya manufacturing ndenda kurikweza thirikari ni prioritize on manufacturing kenda bomba create more jobs nondo it is a fact vijana bakuthira chukuru bagatha batina ngui so it's good ba mention on manufacturing kenda ko bomba create more jobs nondo to create na country that no kato ku invest in education to invest in education then ando ba output ye investment ye utino wita batuta duka so tutitite bwega na ibondo ngwenda gwira president na karende ailie
na kwe antu ntukwandi kugo lakini yuma kwe antu baratondirinya politics ke maandamano jare so iromba yakwa
nkiripotera Meru TV mbita Jeff Wagitumam
Tureokere manto jegie kuthuja manto jegie maandamano twerekere monka kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ni ara komanda wa polisi ndene kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi wijikene Tazakia Zang'eno na chumirite na kuga ati antu bathatu ni barombere gwikirwa mpini na bobo no nyuma maandamano jarajara kujirirwe ndene ya muchijo chuka kire kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kuringana na Ng'eno ngari ithatu iri kwirikana ni ngari cia thirikari ni chumbite kinya cyo kwithira chikithukangwa ni ara ugete maabitha kathomba ndene kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi ni barombere kwithira bakigurarua kagite na kara baragereia kwitania na antu barabara mene Ng'eno nkuruki na ugete ati maandamano jaja jatari jathiri na nikyo kiratumira polisi bomba gutumira toi ya methori kana tear gas nikenda kugere guchokia thiri nteriu ni ara ugete kinya utuko bogokira na arua kuri na gikundi kia mbeu mbethi baragereia kuinga barabara ya Meru gweta Nairobi kintu kira nande polisi barombere kuthira gutonyera na kweberia gikundi kiu kia mbeu mbethi murimi wa mbogo ari na rogono ndou
Nyuma ya muthenya wa igoro ndeni ya muji wa Chuka hamwe na ndagani gutinda mbingano ya polisi hamwe na agency barabara gwatanirite na barabange ndeni ya Kenya kuririkana baraba uragirwe iborichi indi agency baba ibebumirite na kuga maandamano mago marari mathiri na kogu gutire biashara cia antu barenyangia nwambi.
Naweza sema maandamano ilikuwa tu sawa, hata ingine ikitokea kwanza nitaparticipate juu mimi nasikia nimeboeka na hii serikali ya Ruto na vile kwanza wanatufanyisha mashughuli manzesa kama sasa hii petroli pale imepandishwa, hiyo ni kuninyang'anya, unaona.
Mimi hata natoka saidi ya Kasongo huko, lakini hakuna mtu Kasongo anamtaka. Sisi wote machenzi tuko kimoja.
Kiuga gitumi kinene kiago gekurutha maandamano inontu thirikari nene tiko thikiria buria bakumera.
Kenya siku hizi imekuwa bila maandamano hatusikizwi. Yaani maandamano ni njia mzuri ya kupitisha sauti ya mwananchi huko mbele.
Maandamano iendelee. Ndio naona itasaidia. Unaona venye economy imekuwa, inflation iko high sana. Na sisi kama vijana tunaumia.
Ndibonekanite kuregana na antu baria bakuga nyuma yako kurikia maandamano mathaa 12 barambirie kurithia nkari gukuruka utugo bagukira imunthi na kuga babu barari akora ndi tingency nontu bo bararikirie maandamano mago mathaa 12 na kuthimuchie.
Hawa ni makunzi wamelipwa, hawa si majensi. Juu aim yetu ilikuwa ni tupate haki. Kama ni president afanyie watu wake, lakini hao wenye wanaiba ni magunzi wamelipwa.
Hao magunzi wamekuwa haya duko na serikali, wanapewa 1000 duko, wanaingia kwa pubs, wanachapa zao mashots huko, wanakuja wakiwa walevi, wanakuja kuibia watu, alafu sasa wanaweka hiyo against, wanasema ni Gen Z, unaona.
Sisi tulifunga hapo around 6 hapo 7 ya usiku, ilikuwa watu wenye hata sielewi walikuwa wamekujia nini huku.
Yontokera kamanda wa polisi ndeni ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Zacharias Ng'eno akujirite indi Ng'eno arauga polisi bakumenya ndeto ino ibarathire na kubengatia barabarani.
The issue of that there was a number of what the illegal says collection points where goons group themselves. Yes, I can confirm that there was some that were partial dispersed by the officers.
Gikundi kingi gia Kariba Chuka bakiuga gutire na gitumi kia agency kwithirwa bakiruthaga maandamano indi wegwe batikwenda Rais William Ruto gitini betere mwankani wa 2027 araba karinga kura kingo kumuruta gitini wegwe batikumwenda.
Ya kusanya pesa kwa barabara na hata hakuna maana ya maandamano hapa barabarani. Tunafaa kungonja mpaka 2027 tupige kura ndio sasa arundi ama atoke.
Mwenye anaitisha pesa ama mwenye anapora kwa mwingine, huyo ni mkora, huyo sio mtu wa kuandamana.
Wao niambeterie itibaterie kurutha maandamano makuthukangia indo nimetere 2027 muntu meukivotisia kuigana 2027 maukira mathi maruthe buria makwena ni buega bukamatethia.
Indi kamanda wa polisi ugite bamwe ba polisi bake ibaragurarirwe goro kagita kamandamano na nkari ithatu cienyangu araugite gukinyiria thaino ibaumbite kugwata antu bathatu nontu ba maandamano mama.
That because of them throwing stones, some of the officers were injured, very slight injuries, some damages to government vehicles. One for national government and 2 motor vehicles for the county government of Tharaka Nithi. We have 3 arrests who have just been taken to court this morning for participating in illegal demonstrations.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo mbunge gia Chuka igamba ng'ombe mbita murimi wa mbogo.
Mutegeri riboti uchiege kuthuja maandamano ntere mwanya cia nthiguru ya Kenya ni chichi utwakanyaga kwithirwa tukiumagaruka na kunogoka ndeka inkai ugweta kuraza nuntu nkethirwa ngicokagira na nteto nkuruki irio riboti ya Rais William Ruto kurikia gwikira kirore muswada jua finance bill ya mwaka ya 2025-2026 tucokerete.
nwethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ya kuimba nyumba yaku na style iria kwenda. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited turi aje ni undu bwaku. Nitwendagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya mwanya na rangi mwanya mwanya. Kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey ni ringi mbingi ro wisi. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges, tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bya nyumba yeku.
Mkoroki ne tukamataira ateja betu mabati mwanka mochi. Duralong turi Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongere bichine chieto kana turingire thimo kukurukira 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted. Dedea turataukirwa ni umwe wa endo betu ni tujuragwa ni kithiki kuringika kunene hamwe na nkoji chia nkoro gwitikira wendibu mwathani Murungu. Hamwe na bo ni twambairia kuibanga kubate aria muthia na rugendo do ndwambairia ja Cool Breeze Funeral Home. Iji nio Mogenjeru Burumeru iria iri mwekano jo barabara Kirachene kilomita 3 wake kuma Meru National Polytechnic barabareni ya kuerekera na Nyuki. Cool Breeze Funeral Home ni tojanaga utungata tabo gweka mere na kugeta postmortem na mareijeto ni ja kuguna mukojo waku. Turi na gonto gukunene na kotheru gwa gweka mere ngari cha ukamata mere na kinyama thandoko ni tuboraidia na kumeria baria bataukirini endo bao na njira ya kubaridia mbere ya tutirothora na kirombero gietu. Turi na parking ya kongana, restaurant na minimart aria ateja betu baurukaga beterete gutungatirwa. Kumenya manto nkoroki turiongera ubichine chieto Kirachene Mero kana turingire thimo gukurukira namba iji 0798 715 653. Ubichi chieto irugoragwa mathaa 24. Cool Breeze Funeral Home, for services you can trust.
Mutegeri wa Meru TV bitana mbere kana witana mbere na gutegera nteto cha Meru TV utuko kugatogani twetana mbere na kumenya makarika uraje thire toja gikara. Muthenya John Arua mutongeri wa Mugongo Dagitari William Ruto no mbere kujokia na gwekera kirore finance bill kana muswanda jo finance bill ya mwaka wa 2025 na 2026. Ni mambura jago karindene kulu nene ya rais irethagirwa entere cha Nairobi na bobo bojete ntuko inkai nyuma ya bunge nene kana bunge ajumbe gutigira niba gukurukia muswanda jojo turajo arikiti kuthomwa ni uraro wa waziri wa kigena kagita na kaka John Mbadi uzo ni gwatinda kagita na kaka kirole muswanda jojo finance bill
including I think 10.2 billion for agriculture value chain development projects. There is 1.5 billion for sugar sector reform. There is new injection of 8 billion for support for fertilizer subsidy. There is 4 billion waiver, Your Excellency. And also the health sector is amongst the biggest gainers this time. 17.3 billion, Your Excellency, is going to Global Fund for HIV, malaria, and TB. There is 13.1 billion, Your Excellency, which goes to primary health care, and 8 billion for emergency, chronic, and critical illness fund. UHC healthcare workers are going to get 6.2 billion for transfer of their payrolls to counties, Your Excellency. Doctors, and there is 1.3 billion for the construction and equipping of cancer centers across specified counties. The education sector, Your Excellency, also gets a good share of 658.4 billion, 387 of which is going to teacher resource management, including their remuneration, promotion, and recruitment of intern teachers. 58.9 billion, Your Excellency, goes to free primary and day secondary education, while 29 billion is for junior secondary school funding. The university funding, Your Excellency, gets 41.5 billion in the next financial year, while the national examinations and assessment and the school feeding program get 6 billion and 3 billion each. The digital superhighway and creative economic sector have not been left behind. They have been allocated 13 billion to support the growth of the innovation and creative sectors. 217 billion, Your Excellency, has been allocated for construction, maintenance, and rehabilitation of roads in the financial year 2025-2026, while 63 billion has been allocated to support reliable power supply by our energy sector players.
Kwa drogo getinda na untele kanandene ikulu nene ya rais kagita na kare mutongiri wa mugongo otowe drogo kiona edhira gekira kirore finance bill ya 2025 na 2026. Tuarekere nande monkage shugo bunge getigane East na Ramaninja ureda kiro akirungamira ge shugo bunge getigane East na roji keneta Alfred Murigi Keranga akiariam arindene ya wandi ya gedho kana ndene arintereti ya gedho ndene ya wandi ya Thangatha na manerete bonene oro are mujumbe watigane East au Kaberem igichunge kabeabia nikira Murigi augete ati kwa miaka 5 ira kabeabia ithirito agitongere geshugo bunge getigane East ta mujumbe kotewe tina mbere kinyaburiko bombete kwithirwa biko kojerwa ndene ya geshugo bunge giki Nkoroki Kiranga na ugete ati kwa miaka 5 ya kabeabia geshugo bunge giki kithirito gigichoka nyuma bonene kiri manto jegie wetina mbere
achoka na arara kungi imakutano antu baraba kwenda umona baita umona makutano na bangi chezi mikindori yara ayro murume tu ina merwanja akawo ke abu na maito ko uro tetura alomera mikindori ni ko boera itotori ya no torieni awero ke aunku maito ko urira no tetatia ukia boya mbura ya ura 2022 mbere kura mbura eke ya kura nya kumara kiolo ko ina mairi ndiro tureona promox to tenrato are mo ginyeri ndiro ute mtu eto nyako na nyaka bya bebi akira ku ya kuno ntu barabara itete atia mare MP akwendo bwira poro ebikira barabara ke program ire ni kabya bya kara kirumi kya chiari barabara ne abwire na ye mutia bakethia achoka na ume Nairobi kwario maante kwario neya na mwere akare kirumi kia chiari barabara ni etretia barabara ndi ari miro na ekiro mara mthai nyake akugura etelo mana yake thiantubo na imagine munekere mbecha na nambi na barabara ile makubithika ire kunate aidha mheshimiwa rombete ile kuinga tayarema atie kariu barabara icho ndo iko tugibithia na ngoto icharemera utewe kira mara munyemwe na tono tiania oyabura butamona kabwire mantu barabara yenu ekuma kiolo kuya itabithwa kabo kuthani kwa bampuro abithakia inyere kuma thwana etabigiringaus itabithwa inyere karamambaranga itabithwa barabara chetiane chonde chetiero ikari uriku sawa sawa ibuno ntumbwire ko intiemwe mutongori nyaka ithalo amie kingi nyaka ithatu ne ya muthungu inyabukira no etandene kimwe aga ithatu ngo buri mirabarabara no ambi ibuno ntoto kwenda kuwa bato 2027 kurera tukaringane ya maendeleo kana ya maendeleo
Mutogeri ntuko ya narua mbondi kana bamwe ba anto barabara ikite kuthurwa ndene ya mbondi ya municipality ya Mutindwa. Ntuko ya narua ni bombere kwethirwa bageta na mbere na ku ndene ya bunge nene kana ndene ya bunge ya Meru. Nikagita na karia ore ware mujumba mwakuru wa mbere wa county ya Meru Mheshimiwa Florence Kajuju atumbira gukinya ndene ya bunge hizi na bobo bojete ntuko inkai nyuma ya MC ya municipality karibu Muthethe Kibuko kumira na kumeneria kuthurwa kwa Florence Kajuju ndene ya mbondi hizi ya municipality. Baraba kinyere ndene ya bunge hizi ni amwana Joseph Kaburu Mbogoli, Joshua Kirimi Mungania, David Ntarangwe Rokonga na Kinyala Tiva Kinyua. Baraba onde baaririe kuungwa mauri na kuuga mantu jarire bakomba kuthira bakithithia ndene ya mbondi yu ya municipality.
Nayo assembly ya Meru muthenya jwa narua ni thujite mbundi endekithitwe ni governor wa Meru Reverend Mutumanto Ithinkia ende mumemba umwe wa mbundi ije wijikene ja Florence Kajuju na ora wethirite akimenerwa bunene ni Caleb Mutethia ure nawe ni MCA wa municipality Jojo atithire agikinya gikarangone giki bara na bobethire bagikinya kiri mbunge ije ni Joseph Kaburu Mbogoli, Joshua Kirimi Mungania, David Ntarangwe wa Monarative Kinyua.
I think, I just wanted to know whether he is aware of shauri yako.
Ne araba kiaria baeje ne mawira ne nkabo bakatethia na juu mugongo jo municipality.
I should oversee the collection of revenue, oversee development of infrastructure as directed by His Excellency, the Governor through his CEC, who is in charge of lands and physical planning, overseeing the cleanness of the municipality, and making sure that the residents get proper and effective services.
In the next 5 years, I would wish to see Meru becoming the next city in this country. You realize that the last one was Eldoret, and we followed the roadmap of making this one a city. Meru, we have everything that it takes to be able to become a city. We have the population, we have the resources, and I think we have even the capital to be able to make Meru a city. The only thing that we need to do is to ensure that we are organized properly, that the municipal bond is run properly, and the services are seen by the people of Meru. That will give us a roadmap. That will give us a reason to be able to go to the next stage. But really, in this country today, in fact, Meru should have got it before Eldoret, and we have what it takes to be a city.
Once we have a clean municipality that has no solid waste, because solid waste is a menace in this municipality, perhaps now we may go to other infrastructural provisions that require money, that require time to be developed. But I would wish to see within the first 100 days that this town is clean, and because we have water, we are not going to develop to build any installations for water. That we have water in town, and it is clean, and perhaps there is also order in town. That is manageable within the 100 days. I say business because this is the hub, the economic hub of the county. So we must get it right so that the other municipalities, I am aware we have Nkobo, we have Timao, we have Maua, so that they are able to see the father is working. So it is possible for them also to work.
I'm a medic and I understand
the public health aspect. We have seen a lot of Oking smokies, Mahindi Choma. We need to come with a program where we can train them and come up with a better public health awareness, so that when our town is being considered as a city, that cannot be an hindrance. We need also to improve our infrastructure, which are loans. We also need to improve our economy to be a 24-hour economy. We need to look at our security. We need to look at our lightning systems, so that we can encourage business people to learn their economy.
Kiripotera Meru TV Mbita Jeff Wagitumam.
Nyuma ya makarika kathomba gukujirwa aja nthigurune makarika ja winyangia na nkuruki maandamano jaraja thirito jagikujirwa ntere mwanya cha nthiguru ya Kenya. Maandamano jaraja thiritwe zakionekana gutiga asara na winyangia bunene. Nande atongeria aba kanisa na mwanamwara wa kanisa ya Maximum Miracle Center kuma ntere che Igembe. Kanisa ere thiritwe gitongero ni Bishop Pius Muiro ni bachumirite na kuthuranira maromba jakurombera nthiguru izi yonthe kirekieni kia maili 3 nerana ndipo retia nto bonde gutigira ni bakuba kwa tambaru kire maromba jaja no ntokagita na gaka nthi yonthe ya Kenya ni kwenda gwikirwa njarene chemurungu mukiri wa nkonja na rugono ru
naende nthiguru ya Kenya ikionekana ina mwankio munene muno yurayo kisiasa nya maandamano kwithira yakebwethwa kokaita na kaita na ntu baingi batoturobo na bangi bakethira betutira otoro sibitari ende athenjeri bangai bakanisa cia Maximum Miracle Center ire tongoretwe ni Pastor Pius Muiro ni baumirite kuyukia taliere kurombera nthiguru kenda kunisanisia makarika kana maweya ya kwetana mbere kiri nthiguru ya Kenya.
Ni maromba ya kurombera nthiguru yetu ya Kenya heitare mantu ya maingi ya thireto ya iturira muno kiria na beto na kinya kiri antu kiri nthiguru aswa jumi bwetireto butete boya
romba manene nonto bwa kuonokia na beto na akuru na ekuru nonto amanto maingi ya nkoma era cio baukumire kuo bagaranya kwathikira thirikari lakini nonto bwa maromba batuma basoke laini
karibisa bwinde antu bembere onde tusemaniu maili 3 turombere nthiguru yetu ya Kenya ni nthiguru yetu ya Kenya tio ndi tabwega indi kavwa ukulukira maromba ni yuturombere nthetu yuturombere embe ana betu bakaura
ende kaita kauba keri ni bawete kinya kaita kana bare mindtam ni bawati kwethira baekwa ki maromba uno ni asiari ona kinya anto bonde kenda bomba kwethira bena metere ile bui
antu ya kuendelea ndani ya nthiguru iji ana betu bare na bandaka ukore ne bakora na mapema nambe yete nkimeneration tubu kari ya pastor na ya kanisa kwa jumla nonto ne manto kanisa yokira na mwambo yomwe urayatite yakithuka za nthiguru yetu na nonto bonto turi na musemano yo munene yurayo tongeretwe ne Bishop Pius Muiro wa Maximum Miracle Center Kenya
aciari itaretwe na arito abaimochie tumenyarana betu baukuma kindawa cia kulebia kiri nchobi aciari menyereniana
itarira kinya mindtam manto maingi nonto kira kitheki na mwiri kithaurawa na mwiri lakini akitheki kiroho kithaurawa kiroho.
Nkiripotera Meru TV kuma kanisani ya Machongolo Maximum Miracle Center Igembe Central Mbeta Mokiri Onkonja
Mutakari itwarekere monkantere cha Tharaka arachukuru kana University ya Tharaka nionekene gwita na mbere na kuthara na bobo ni kiri kigomano gia 10 kiria gigwitwo Continental Africa Public Service Day kana APSD kigomano kiria kirathithikite na arantere cha Addis Ababa nthiguru ya Ethiopia. Kiri kigomano giki University ya Tharaka ni barombera kwethira bakiewa kia University ya Njaga kiri manto jegie baremeta Potrai Melofax Project kintu kira nandi cukuru ejete na mbere na kuonania uguni bwayo ndagara wegona na tubanganyite ripoti una njira entarero
Ikiatho kiretha wa kiumia kimwe kiria mwaka University ya Tharaka ni kenda ritwarimo wamo na tori baya kuona njira mwanya chindi cha kurutha manto. Kiatho kia mangojo gigituma University no thongira mukuni mamuririkana nthiguruni cia Afrika. Nyuma ya muritomo na mwarimu wake kuya na njira ya imbi ya kuthondeka ndawa ya kurigiria mirimo ya ngoko bagitongoria Afrika yonthe. Kiatho kiria kiaruthiritwo Addis Ababa nthiguruni ya Ethiopia tabura vice Professor Kinyo Muriongi agutariria.
This year, we had a very successful Career, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Week, where, as usual, students, staff, and the community presented their innovations. And we were excited with one innovation, the poultry Melovax vaccine, which had the potential to cure diseases in poultry. We have many diseases that affect poultry. One member of our staff, Ms. Maureen Dagara, and a student of animal science, Mr. Makumi, came up with the poultry Melovax vaccine, which was ranked as the best here at the university because it has the potential to cure poultry diseases and therefore help the farmers locally and even beyond the local community to be able to undertake successful poultry farming. So this innovation, it was ranked as the first, and then it went to the national level, where again Tharaka University presented that innovation, and again it was ranked as the best. Finally, this innovation was presented during the Africa Public Service Day in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, and it was also ranked as the first innovation in terms of service delivery.
Professor Peter Kinyo Muriongi akiuga bota University bagatigiri bakuwatagia ntege kimbaru na gutigira ndawa ino ni kuthongera thokoni.
Now we are going to further stages of patenting, protecting, refining, so that this innovation can be used not only in Kenya but beyond Kenya to assist farmers in successful poultry farming. I want to say that this vaccine is made from our locally available herbal plants, and we are going to use this example to even start to consider whether we can start a very serious center on traditional and herbal medicine and see how we can integrate this with modern science to be able to produce the state-of-art innovations that will have influence in Kenya and beyond.
Morito ya kiwanja negatetheria nene murimi kwebukana na sara chakagita kwa kagita ira chumanage na mirimo ya ngoko.
Innovation yetu ilikuwa vaccine ambayo ilikuwa inaitwa Poultry Melovax vaccine. Ni antiviral, yani inazuia virus na pia ina prevent diseases such as coccidiosis, Newcastle and Guboro. Hii itasaidia sana kuhakikisha kwamba tumepunguza kiwango cha kuku ambao wanakufa kila wakati, na pia itasaidia wakulima wote waweze kupata manufaa katika kilimo chao ambacho wanaweza kufanya na kugain a lot of income. The vaccine that we are using, storage part of it, it's very easy. We don't need to store it in the refrigerators, so it can survive in normal temperatures that we are using. It can survive in normal temperatures, and it's easy to administer it. So you usually administer it in water as the chicken are taking it.
As the division in charge of academics and research, I was so impressed that our students, our faculty, is able to identify indigenous materials that can be utilized to solve problems in the contemporary society.
Kuma chukuri ya Tharaka University kichiga munga kia Tharaka nkiripotera Meru TV lietoka mbeta ndagara. Waiguna.
Nani mbeta Dennis, motuma muthomi muthiajo wa nteto cietu cia Meru TV utuku. Mwana nirito mathithio agukari Jacqueline Makena kuendera kagita kega.